Hello guys, happy new year 2023 for everyone. We have new channel for the house planning. So we will see the details. This is my house plan 40 feet by 50 feet yani 40 feet width yani front 50 feet length. So we will start the front. This area is meeting hall. So this distance is length 13 feet, then width 17 feet. This plan is with two car parking, one left and right, one car parking left, one right. So this is meeting hall 13 feet by 17 feet. Then car parking area 15 feet length, width 10 feet. That car parking same 15 feet and 10 feet. Okay, there is door of the arch. There is also door of the arch, and there is the front side two guest room 8 feet 6 inch width and length 12 feet, same 8 feet 6 inch and 12 feet. Then you can go to enter the dining hall. So dining hall is length 12 feet and width 26 feet. There is a stair. Stair is started from this side. From there start, then going to take U-turn. This stair is 3 feet 6 inch. 3 feet 6 inch and 3 feet 6 inch. Between 6 inch is a space. Then go to left. Left is kitchen, big size double side kitchen. Any kitchen sizes is 6 feet width and 12 feet length. Then you go to this toilet, bathroom area and toilet area. There is washing machine here, hand wash, and this one toilet 4 feet 6 inch width and long, length is 6 feet. Same second toilet 4 feet 6 inch and length 6 feet. Then backside is bedroom. Bedroom width is 14 feet, then length is 12 feet. Second bedroom 14 feet 12 feet. This is my house plan detail, and you can see this is door. This yellow color is marking that one windows. So that plan detail is 40 feet by 50 feet. So we will go to 3D. So this planning how to look the building. You can see the 3D how to look this plan. We will start the front side. See the front side radius, the meeting hall, and meeting hall left and right two car parking, and left one guest room and right one guest room front side. Meeting hall in two sofa. You can add more sofa, and you go to the dining hall. Dining hall is two dining table, two set dining table for the two brother. This plan is very useful, very beautiful. You can see this plan. Then you go to the dining hall, and right hand is a stair. You can see the right hand has a stair, and the left hand the kitchen. And go to the back center area. There is a washing and sink area, backside two toilet, then left one bedroom, right one bedroom. And this plan is 4 BHK and plus two car parking. Front side meeting hall big size, dining hall big size, and you can see the outer all. You can see the round, full round, four side ventilation, all full air condition. You can see the look of the front. This is the 3D plan. If you see my video, request to you, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because when I upload the video, then you can find my video very fast. So please you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So you can see this stair, like this stair, and dining hall. Here car parking. You can add more sofa, chair, everything you can add. We are showing the normally. You can add more. If you have changes any, you can change. Otherwise, very beautiful this house plan. If you have land like that, 40 feet by 50 feet, you can make this house. So I hope you understand my details. Then if you no understand, please again repeat the video, then understand, and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and thank you for watching.